Greetings everyone. Pretty exciting day. We finally made it. We're halfway around the with the forms. And what I mean by halfway around is we have one foot wall of the foundation form set up all the way around the house. The next step will be the rebar. Yesterday I measured out what I think I need, and it looks like I need about 4,000 feet of half-inch rebar. How I did that was I need an upright every 2 feet. So what I did on the form was every 2 feet I put a blue line, and I was able to count. So on this form, I need 6 uprights on this wall. And then I was able to measure the height and add how much I need for the hook on the top of the upright and the hook on the bottom. So that gave me how much I need for my vertical rebar. And then my foundation was designed with 2 bars on the top of the foundation and 2 bars down in the footing. And then I have to have a horizontal bar every 12 inches on center in between. So I'll need basically 7 bars total horizontally. So 2, then I'll have a single, a single, a single, and then 2 more. So anyway, pretty exciting stuff. I'm going to hold off on the rebar for a little bit because we have some rain and snow coming. But today I'm headed up to the mill. It turns out I'm going to be about 30 2x8s short for doing the inside forms. Everything else I was good with. I had plenty 2x12, plenty 2x10, and way more than I'd ever need on the 2x6. So anyway, I'm pretty excited. It'd be nice to start doing something a little different with the rebar. And anyway, want to give you an update. And here's a couple of aerial shots that I took with the drone, just so you can see the progress. So the building inspectors showed up. They're taking a look around now. However, they don't seem too interested in the work we've done, so we must be doing something right. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.